Ryan and Anna are twins. They live in the countryside. They share common interests and aspire to be detectives. They enjoy reading detective stories and watching television shows. Anna once went in search of her favorite doll. She searched everywhere but couldn't locate it. Perhaps I snapped when playing with my buddies, she speculated. 2 days later, Ryan was seeking for his spectacles, but they were nowhere to be found. Anna, have you seen my glasses? Ryan asked. A half hour ago, I placed them on the shelf. Anna, no, have you seen my doll? Ryan, no, I haven't. Their personal belongings began to vanish after a few days. That caused them concern. Since no one is coming home, they wondered, who is stealing our things? Anna and Ryan took the mission to find the thief. They were always interested in detective activities. They investigated their maid, but she didn't steal anything. One day, they were sitting in the lounge. Their puppy, Tommy, went outside even though it was hot. Next day, Tommy was playing with them. Suddenly, he left them and went outside. It occurred to Ryan that their puppy might be stealing things. They were monitoring him closely. Whenever he went outside, Anna and Ryan followed him. Tommy went outside in the morning and sat under the tree in their backyard. When he returned, Anna and Ryan began playing with him. In an instant, Tommy left them. Let's follow him, Ryan suggested. Tommy entered their room. There was a toy fish inside a glass keychain. Tommy went downstairs with keychain in his mouth. He then went into the backyard. Ryan and Anna stood back and watched him. Tommy dug a hole beneath the tree. He stuffed the keychain inside and then covered it in mud. Oh, Tommy is the thief, Ryan murmured. They moved slowly towards the tree, dug a hole, and took all of their belongings. Ryan and Anna informed their parents about Tommy later that evening. Tommy's eyes were filled with tears, indicating his regret. He was sitting on Ryan's lap. My dear friend, stealing things is a bad habit, Ryan patted him on the back. Make a promise not to do it again. Ryan and Tommy gave each other hugs. Tommy never stole anything else from them after that.